We spoke in words, both reverent and cruel. Drink of the joy of feeling confused, but I knew the truth was real. And as we grew, laughing at all the pain we've been through, took our bitterness and sang it a tune, and I knew the joke was a fool. But now there's nothing more to say. We shuffle our feet and we look away. What is there to do? I messed around, but everything I thought I had found left me limping like a dog from the pound, limping back home to her. But this time I'm still running strong. I try to explain, but it comes out wrong. What is there to do? I left my muse, left her singing the blues. I said farewell, sorry, but I fell for a love that's true. I left my muse. When I was confused, when the ceiling and the floor were askew, she sat me down and said, you feel like you do. Then I knew, but now there's nothing more to say. We shuffle our feet, then we look away. What is there to do? I left my muse, left her singing the blues. I said farewell, sorry, but I fell for a love that's true. I left my muse. She could be right now on the corner turning drinks for hash and Joe. I wish that I could go and pick her up, but it would be right. 'Cause I left my muse, I left her singing the blues. If I see her again, I hope that we can still be friends. For a love that's true, I left my muse. I left my